On Wednesday, 4th September 2024, Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki with his deputy Marvella Somobayo, PDP Governorship Campaign Director Matthew Dweyekeme and other PDP leaders don't take their campaign enter Etsako East and Etsako Central local government areas as them they convert vote for PDP candidate Dr. Aswa Ngodalo and a running mate Ogbonge Esquire. Governor Obaseki for in talk with the plenty party supporters for the two local council come talk say the PDP candidates are the best and most credible choice for the election and come promise say vote for PDP go bring more progress and development on the state. For again about the Etsako East local government area, Oga Obaseki come talk say Aswa Ngodalo and Ogbonge go bring better policies come wey go help rescue and move the state forward. Say even though say Nigeria get economic challenges, Aswa Ngodalo na the answer. Say PDP they bring the best candidate, intelligent, experienced and credible.
I know where God will answer our prayer. The suffer for Nigeria don't too much. But we don't want to make it affect us for a day. The only people who feel help us. Now the people where sabi. People where sabi. The people where go help us. Make we not suffer again. Una know them. Una know why we say they sabi. Make I tell una why we say Aswa sabi. Aswa sabi because na lawyer when they respect for Nigeria. He go school. He get masters. He get big law firm. He don't work well. Different companies for Nigeria and abroad, they call them, come advise us, come stay our board. It's a bit tough because they're a good lawyer. For you to have development, you don't need stop and start. You need continuity. We're going to push and they go, we're going to push and they go, we're going to push and they go. By the grace of God, we're going to reach them with the go soon. I do best. Some people say they go stop her and say I do worst. Because they not go school. So they don't know the value of education. That kind of people now want.
For in part, Aswa Ngodalo contrary salute to the people of Agenebodia for their big turnout and come promise say he go push more programs and projects to boost economic growth and development for the area.
We don't go allow them discourage us. We don't go allow them victimize us. One more thing, make it no fear. Some people when they shout, hey, this tiger, this lion, it's nothing like that. Nothing. Now because they won't make people they fear, they say people don't get level. People don't leave them. God Almighty is with us. Allah is with us. No need to fear human being when don't mean us well. Anybody when don't mean us well, don't fear them. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who is a true Democrat, has assured that this election shall be free and fair. So all those people, when they use the name, say President talk, say President don't talk, say anything.
Chemo Etsako East Local Government Council Honorable Benedicta Atto, Edo PDP Chemo Anthony Azegbeme and other PDP leaders come talk say PDP go win for the governorship election, say them just they wait for September 21 to celebrate their victory as them believe in the people.
Una don't assure governor say
yes,
we go deliver Etsako East, not be so.
Now so.
I don't live am for now because na the power wey me get.
Yes,
on my own I no get power.
Yes, sir.
But all these people why they see here so, once una vote on the 21st, we never win. We never win. Answer for governor.
Our school of agric is coming back soon.
A round of applause, a round of applause. Thank you.
And again, for the interest of most of you, all the places that we didn't have lights, they are repairing them as we are talking.
The reason why they do what they do.
Yes, sir.
The time don't come. Oh.
Yes, sir. We are witness to it.
The thing why they find. Now Aswa Ngodalo. The thing why they find. Now Aswa Ngodalo. I dey beg una youth. Una no say I be una mama.
Yes, sir, mama.
And as I dey beg una well. Well, una leg no dey touch ground.
Yes, sir.
I want to make una come now.
Yes, sir.
Now the time una go come put hand for my whole back.
Yes, sir.
Make una help me deliver Etsako East for PDP.
For us, as PDP,
we believe say Etsako East, because of our late leader, Chief Raymond Dokpeshi, we should say Unago vote for PDP because the man do many things for this local government. Not be so.
That's so.
We are coming back because of Etsako East. This man you are seeing is a blessing to this generation. He's a man who knows himself. Everything, yes, His Excellency has said about him is nothing but the truth.
For Etsako Central, Governor Obaseki, Asuingodalo and other PDP leaders come talk say APC don't make life hard for the people, but Obaseki administration don't do plenty to make Edo prosperous and put them on the path of progress. They can reassure the people say make them vote for PDP to continue with the progressive work where the current government don't start.
I can't thank una because from what I don't see, no problem for this local government. PDP don't win Etsako Central. Una know why? I see una hand. Don't do the plan. Una go help me when we give them the plan. But you know why it go succeed? That plan not be only me do amo. You get one person when they with me, he stand tanda, help me do that plan. This person, he Una know how? Una know how? This man will go be Aswe deputy. Now help me. The man don't be commissioner before. For road, he know all the road for Edo State. This man, he don't be chief of staff. He know how governor office they work. If governor don't go this side, he know how to advise them. This man, he don't be secretary to government. Everywhere.
So when I did diaspora, me and Osarodion last week, we tell our people, we say, those of them we did there, we be doctor, now go they treat us inside village here. Now go give us some of your time. Those of them we be teacher, now go teach our Pekin from here because we go to use Wi-Fi. That means say we go there 10,000 miles away, we go still in the same room. You know, when people they think they cause progress. When people love them, people they cause progress. Osarodion and myself, we love una. We wish una well. We want to make it better for all of us. No, and they talk am for East, just now Etsako East. I said this one where people they take carrot, cook soup, take cucumber, cook soup, take one pepper, cook soup. Those it no go happen again. It don't do. When we they grow up, nothing like carrots. The carrots that they take and chop, man. Not to say we they take and cook soup. And now there we don't push our mama and our sister go. They tire. You give them 5,000 naira to go market. The thing we buy today, you know if you buy and tomorrow. Then husband go there and say he won't chop 3 meats. Pikin go there and say he won't chop 4 times a day.
I hear kulu one day, but what did they do so? Make you help me tell and make it come back home. Anything where in be today now, PDP make and be what he be. And you not go find the house where he build. So he must come back home. Come make sure say there is continuity in Edo State. You know what did happen? Those people that don't try different tactics will not work. The first thing when they first talk, they say we not get candidate. But after that kind of appeal now, we get candidate. When that one don't fail, finish. They not see what they can do again. Now to define how they want to take re-election. Then they issue threat. They go tell us say that they make you not come out. If they get 2 heads, make they come out. They go reach us blow. And I don't hear foul. They call hawk. Say we can fight.
Aswe Igodalo is another man that we know. We know him. He's a man who has proven to be a man of action, a man of result, and a man who has compassion. He has love for the people. We believe that where Governor Obaseki lives, Aswe will take it far ahead.
The message is not for Mama Yuane. We are the ones who carry the message to the people. Mile, everybody here, we vote for who? We vote for who? So the responsibility is take the message of the pathway to prosperity to our communities, to our villages, to our youth, to our fathers, to our mothers, to our children.
In fact, I'm very happy. I wish na tomorrow be election because I don't dey hot. What then I want tell everybody? I beg that day you don't go see Aswe, you don't go see Oge, you don't go see Obaseki. Umbrella. Umbrella. Èmi yóò vote wo. Èmi yóò vote wo. Uhalwo ine rehai vote no vote yesaza kao. Ahahe kao ne ure how you the local government.
Make una not forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Edo North Senatorial District, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC TV News.